Painting doors with natural objects as inspiration can add a serene, organic feel to your space, blending the outdoors with your home's entrance. Here are some ideas and benefits for natural object door painting. Natural object door painting ideas. 1. Leaf patterns. Use large leaves like ferns, palms, or maple to create stencils. You can paint in green or autumn tones. Abstract leaf patterns can create a calming, nature-inspired aesthetic. 2. Floral designs. Paint vibrant or subtle flowers like sunflowers, lilac, or cherry blossoms across the door. You could go for a realistic approach or create artistic brush strokes like depictions. 3. Seashell and ocean themes. A beach-inspired door with seashells, starfish, or coral patterns. Soft blues, greens, and sandy hues can mimic an oceanic vibe. 4. Wood grain texture. Mimicking the natural grain of wood with earthy browns and soft beige brings a rustic, natural element, even on a painted door. 5. Birds and branches. A delicate design with birds perched on branches can create a peaceful, idyllic atmosphere. 6. Stone or marble patterns. Paint the door to resemble stone or marble for an earthy, grounded feel. Grays, whites, and subtle veins can make it appear natural yet sophisticated. Benefits of natural object door paintings. 1. Aesthetic appeal. It enhances the visual beauty of your home, adding personality and a unique touch to an often overlooked space. 2. Connection to nature. Brings elements of the natural world into your daily life, promoting relaxation and a feeling of well-being. 3. Creative expression. Allows for artistic expression and personalization. Each door can be a work of art that reflects your style and connection to nature. 4. Environmental harmony. Natural designs promote harmony and balance, creating a more welcoming, peaceful environment for guests. 5. Increased curb appeal. A thoughtfully painted door can increase the charm and curb appeal of your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. 6. Durability and protection. Many natural designs use layers of paint, which can provide an additional protective coating, safeguarding the door from weather elements. Would you like more details on any of these ideas?